Namaskaram, dear all. Greetings from Pramayas. Vidushi Srimati Sugandhi Sri Krishnamurthy, simply Sugandhi for friends and dear ones, is the proud daughter of Srimati K. Rajalakshmi and Sri K. S. Krishnamurthy from Chennai. Trained in Karnataka Sangeetam from her very young age of 5 years at Palakkad, Kerala. Her first guru was the popular name of Palakkad, Srimati Angachi Mami, who taught the toddler Sugandhi, Varnams and a few Kirtanams. Angachi Mami, noticing a bright spark in the young and talented girl, decided to skip the entire of the startup exercises of Abhyasa Ganam like the Sarali Varisais, etc., customized the beginning portions and directly launched Sugandhi into Varnam level. Wow! Sugandhi's next level guru, Srimati Shyamala Gopala Krishnan, trained her for about 4 years plus, with many more Varnams and Kirtanams, coupled with Manodharma aspect, shaped and launched the young girl into a well-doing stage performer. Later, to advance her music skills, Sugandhi Shri learnt from Srimati Janaki Venugopal for about 2 years many complex kritis, rare ragams, Neravel, Swarakalpana techniques, etc. By then she was 11. She is also fortunate to have been taught by Vidwan Srivanchyam Sri Mani Iyer, disciple of the legendary Madurai Sri Mani Iyer, and was also trained for about 2 years by Srimati Gomati Vembu Iyer, mother of Sangeeta Kalanidhi Vidwan Sri T.V. Shankaranarayanan. Sugandhi Shri further honed her concert skills and higher level of music under Srimati Neela of Salem and disciple of Vidwan Salem Shri G. Deshikan. She was fortunate to be spotted and trained by Sangeeta Kalanidhi Padma Bhushan Guru Sri T.V. Gopala Krishnan during the period from 1991 to 92. She took interest in composing both lyrics and music right since her college days. Till now, she has composed more than 50 Urupadis in praise of various deities. A list of few of her compositions are being flashed now in this documentary for posterity. Sugandhi Shri also learnt from her flautist father a number of devotional songs of the famous Sirgari Sri Govindarajan and Sulamangalam sisters. She also plays on the veena, guitar and keyboard and have secured several prizes in the instrumental music too. In fact, she has been a consistent winner of various prizes and awards right from her childhood, school and college days. She has been performing concerts since the young age of 7 and performed widely at various venues of Palakkad, Coimbatore, Salem, Erode, Chennai, regularly at Tiruvayur, Sadguru Sri Tyagaraja Swami Aradhana festivals, and at various other places, including a few foreign venues. Young Sugandhi Sri tuned and recited Skanda Sashti Kavacham in a Trayodasha Raga Malika comprising 13 ragas and teamed up with her sister Miss K. Lalita Rani for a few more devotional songs penned and tuned by her, recorded a music album which was released during the year 1990 in a befitting function chaired by the legendary playback singer Sri S.P. Balasubramaniam, who was immensely appreciative of Sugandhi's music skills and creativity. Srimati Vani Jayaram, another legendary musician who was also present in the function, spoke very high of young Sugandhi and her willingness to sing together in future projects. Wow, that is really superb. Apart from composing music and performing, she is equally good at writing poems both in English and Tamil and have published far and wide internationally her English poems. She was a member for 2 consecutive years in the International Society for Poets, and for her poetical excellence, she was awarded with the Best Poet Trophy in the year 2005 at USA. Equally sound and studious in academics, Sugandhi Sri secured first rank in a degree course from Sri Sharada College for Women in Salem. She went on to do her Masters in Commerce from the University of Madras and MBA from Vinayaga Mission University. She is also a certified accounting technician from the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India. Sugandhi Sri worked for MNCs, World Bank, Price Waterhouse, etc. and in IT field as functional consultant for product development. She has around 2 decades plus of work experience in various senior positions. To address family and work commitments, Sugandhi Sri took a sabbatical and resumed the music again. She has also been teaching music for about past 13 years. Pramayas welcomes Vidushi Srimati Sugandhi Sri Krishnamurthy and you all to listen to her launch interactive recital as a first such entirely of her own compositions on this auspicious day of Guru Purnima, the best opportunity to mark the launching of Pramaya's Adhunika Rachayitra repository, that is, a repository of the compositions by and the recitals of recent composers, as a documentary effort by us today on the 5th July of 2020. Hope you all enjoy the recital and interaction. Thanks, and with best of our wishes, over to Vidushi Srimati Sugandhi Sri Krishnamurthy and dear all. Namaskaram. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha.